If you let go of the button too soon, the crimper will not complete the full cycle, which will result in an improperly crimped vial. You will see an error message scroll across the screen, error early button release, and a red X for the crimp result. Stall error with motion, signifying that the crimper was not able to reach the programmed set point. Stall error with no motion, signifying that there is a motor drive error. Overcurrent error, signifying that too much current was drawn attempting to reach the set point. For more information and helpful videos, visit our secure website at www.cromres.com.